Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix Facebook shortcut bar not showing. Open your Facebook app. First, you need to click on these three lines in here. Then scroll down here, you can find the settings option under the settings and privacy. So, tap on it. Now you need to click on this navigation bar option under the preferences. Then click on this customize the bar option in the top. Now you can customize your shortcut bar in here. So click on this button and select pin option for shortcuts you want. Finally go back and refresh your profile. Then you can find your shortcut bar again. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.